Hi guys, this is Claudia and today we're in Pontedera in the province of Pisa in Tuscany in Italy at the headquarters of Vespa and the Piaggio group. So today we're gonna take a tour of the factory and see how Vespas are made. Let's go, follow me. Vespas are more than just scooters. Over the years they have become an icon of Italian culture and of the Made in Italy itself. They have been featured endlessly on the big screen in movies like Fellini's La Dolce Vita or A Roman Holiday with Audrey Hepburn. In the last 10 years, Vespa has made and sold over 1.6 million scooters all over the world. Vespa differs from other scooters in that its body frame is made entirely of steel stampings that are welded together, which is exactly how Piaggio made its airplanes when he launched the scooter in 1946. The welding line at the Pontedera factory is fully robotic. It uses a combination of spot welding and arc welding. The final revisions of the chassis are done by hand by an experienced operator who's there to spot any defects on the steel. We then move to the paint shop. The body frame is first coated in a black cataphoresis primer. Then operators seal the joining line between the left and right bodyworks and the front shield and the footwork. Another primer is applied to guarantee the correct adhesion between the cataphoresis and the base coat. The color of this primer is linked to the base coat, so a black or a grey primer will be applied to darker vehicles and a white one for a vehicle that is painted red, for example. The finish is cured by baking it for 40 minutes at 85 degrees Celsius, then polished to remove any imperfections. A conveyor brings the body frames to the final assembly line. At the Pontedera factory there are 6 assembly lines. 3 lines assemble Piaggio brands Liberty, Energy, MP3 and Beverly. The remaining lines are for Vespa GTS, Vespa Primavera, Vespa Sprint, Vespa 946 and the new electric range Vespa Elettrica. We follow the assembly of the Vespa Primavera 125. The assembly line moves continuously and a new Vespa is ready every 3 minutes. It's all done by hand using electronic screwdrivers. Each piece has a barcode that the operator scans to get the right settings. The front forks design, with the shock absorber on the left side and the wheel assembled on the right side, resemble that of an airplane wheel. At the end of the line, a technician tests the lights and the speed gauges. Aside from the Pontedera factory, Piaggio also opened a factory in Vietnam in 2013 to cater for the great demand in Asian markets.